Okay, let's continue with the creativity section. We'll go to our index.html, and I'm going to copy this icon from here and paste it in the creativity section. We'll copy the character code here, which is that beaker, and paste it in. And then we'll add the subcomponent class name, and we'll just follow suit in the naming convention. So we'll go with icon box -- creativity. Let's save this and go to our icon box partial, and let's add a new selector here. We'll change this to -- creativity. And now let's grab the background color from our mockup. So this is a green, and it looks similar to our green in the buttons. So let's see if we can standardize on that color and have it look good still. So I'll just change this to our green variable. Let's save and go back to our browser and refresh. And I think this green is good. And finally, let's deal with the magic icon. So we'll go back to our index.html. I'll copy the icon HTML and paste it here in the magic section. I'll grab the character code for the magic wand icon and paste it in here. And let's add a class for the subcomponent, icon box magic, again using the -- We'll save this, go back to our CSS, and we'll add a new selector by copying the previous selector, and we'll name it magic. And the background color, if we go to the mockup, is this orange. So I'm going to use the color picker in Photoshop to figure out what the hexadecimal value is. I'll copy this, jump back to the editor, and let's add this to our color palette. Again, this is kind of middle of the road orange, so we'll create a new variable called orange, save it, and then in our CSS or Sass, we'll use the variable orange. And then let's refresh our browser, and there we go.